الدرس الثامن. The eighth lesson, the eighth chapter. الدرس الثامن. Now I am going to read the whole paragraph. You focus on my reading, how I am pronouncing the words, where I am pronouncing Rafa, Nasab, Jar properly. Look at those signs, harakat. That's very important. And you can repeat with me and see if you are understanding the meanings. If you have not understood any meaning, you can ask in the chat window, I have not understood the meaning of so and so sentence. Okay, you can just tell me the line number, third line from top, fourth line from top, or anything. هذا الرجل تاجر وذلك الرجل طبيب. هذا الرجل تاجر. This is completely one jumla. وذلك الرجل طبيب. ذلك الرجل طبيب. Okay, this is second jumla ismiya. اسم التاجري مضاف مضاف إليه. اسم التاجري. اسم التاجري محمود. اسم التاجري محمود. واسم الطبيب سعيد. واسم الطبيب سعيد. اسم التاجري محمود. Name of the trader is Mahmoud. واسم الطبيب سعيد. And name of the doctor is Sa'id. Okay, that's the meaning of this sentence. هذا الرجل تاجر. This man is a trader. وذلك الرجل طبيب. And that man is a doctor. Okay, I will not translate every time. You have to understood now. You should understand without translation. هذا البيت للتاجر وذلك البيت للطبيب. وذلك البيت للطبيب. Now what is the analysis, grammatical analysis? هذا البيت للتاجر. هذا مبتدا، البيت مشار إليه، للتاجر شبه جملة جار مجرور خبر. Okay, if you have not understood even the analysis, you can type in the chat window. I will explain to you. Same thing here. وذلك مبتدا، البيت مشار إليه، للطبيب شبه جملة جار مجرور خبر. بيت التاجر أمام المسجد. أمام means in front. Okay, it is ظرف. وبيت الطبيب خلف المدرسة. وبيت الطبيب خلف المدرسة. Okay, بيت التاجر مضاف مضاف إليه. بيت is مبتدا، التاجر and وهو مضاف, and التاجر is مضاف إليه. أمام is ظرف, it is خبر, شبه جملة خبر. Same thing here. بيت التاجر أمام المسجد. House of the trader is in front of the masjid. House of the trader is in front of the masjid. وبيت الطبيب خلف المدرسة. And house of the doctor is behind the school. Al-madrasa, behind the school. Sister, I'm doing it for you. I'm doing the translation, but by this lesson, all of you should understand without translation. Okay, I do not expect that you should be dependent on translation anymore now. Okay, you have to understand now, sister. If you will take time to understand, you go word by word. Look at that. Try to do the analysis of that, and do in your notebook. You can do that. And when you are listening to me, focus on the sentence and try to understand. Okay, what is it saying? Okay. Liman hadhihi sayyaratu wa liman tilka. Now this is a question. Liman hadhihi sayyaratu. Whose is this car? Wa liman tilka, and whose is that? Whose car is this? We can say, in other words, and whose car is that? And who's that? Whose car is that? Liman hadhihi sayyaratu. Hadhihi ismul ishara, as-sayyaratu musharun ilayh. Okay. Waliman tilka, and that. So it is related to cars. So the answer is hadhihi sayyaratu lit-tabibi wa tilka lit-tajiri. This car, hadhihi sayyaratu, this car. Hadhihi ismul ishara, as-sayyaratu is musharun ilayh. Has this car, hadhihi sayyaratu. Lit-tabibi is for the doctor. Hazihi sayyaratu lit-tabibi. This car is for the doctor. Wa tilka lit-tajiri. And that, tilka. Why tilka? Why not zalika? Because it is referring to car. And car, what is it ending with? Ta marbuta. It is one of the signs of muannas, right? It is one of the signs of feminine gender. Okay, that means the gender of car is, in Arabic language, is muannas. That's why we are using tilka for car, and that is for the trader. Watilka littajiri. Watilka littajiri. Remember this. There is a lam here, and there is. I told you about Hamzatul Wasl in beginning. There are Hamzatul Wasl can be written in 3 different forms. Okay, let me go. Let me open the word. Okay, so there are different ways to write Hamzatul Wasl. I mentioned this earlier. One is just you write alif without any harkat on that. The other thing is this is the way to write Hamzatul Wasl. And the other thing is you don't write at all. You don't write at all. So here it was Atta-jiri. In this case, it was Atta-jiri. Why it is going to this font? Here it was in this Atta-jiri. Now, what we have done is we have to say Tilka lit-tajiri. At-tajiri means the trader. Okay. So I will add lam plus this. And this lam is harfu jar. This is harfu jar, which because of harfu jar it is becoming, it was at-tajiru, actually it will become at-tajir. So what we did is we just wrote the this is how we wrote 2 lams together, and this alif Hamzatul Wasl is completely removed. This Hamzatul Wasl is completely removed. This is the way to write. Okay, so Hamzatul Wasl, it can be removed. Okay, I hope it is clear. That's why you see littajiri. So in my previous class, a lot of brothers and sisters, when they used to answer in the class, they used to get confused. So what they will say is watilka attajiru, they will say. They will think this is alif. They will say atilka attajiru. Okay, that's what they will say. So that's not correct. Okay. So this is li, there is harfu jar mixed in that. Watilka littajiri. Is it clear, sister, brothers and sisters, all of you? Okay. Okay, so هذه السيارة من اليابان وتلك من أمريكا. This هذه السيارة, again, اسم الإشارة مشار إليه. This car من اليابان. اليابان means Japan. Due to min, this is harfu jar, it became al-yabani, because this is harfu jar, so it became al-yabani. It is no more al-yabanu. هذه السيارة من اليابان. This car is from Japan. وتلك, and that, min America, and that is from America. Why America is written just America? Because it is, whether it is in the state in the status of jar, but since it is ending with alif, it cannot take a sign of jar there. It will be always like this, America. And a lot of foreign words, they are taken sometimes in the form of, and they are partly flexible. But America is always America. It is very rigid. Okay. Tilka mean America. So whether it is in the status of Rafa, it is America. Nasab also it is America. Jar also it is America. Tilka mean America. So here I will stop, brothers and sisters. Revise this lesson very well. And if possible, go through the whole exercise. Read this lesson. Write your notes. Write your answers. Practice it. Wherever it is written, Iqra waktub. Here, for example, here, Iqra waktub. Read and write. So it's you write, or those who prefer to type, at least type on a computer. Okay, so that is very necessary. So here I stop. Inshallah, the class will resume again next Tuesday. Till that time, okay, enjoy and do the revision as much as possible. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.